This video is a quick way of testing yourself to see if you can identify the main camera shots and angles that filmmakers use. The first section is only about camera shots. There are 12 different examples. Name or write down your answers. How'd you go? If you got a lot wrong, you might need to do some review. The next section focuses on camera angles and movement. Again, there are 12 different examples. For an extra challenge, see if you can also name the type of camera shot used. Well done! Who got 100%? Good on ya! Camera angles and shots are just some of the many technical codes and conventions filmmakers use to help engage the audience. They also use symbolic, audio, and written codes, commonly called SWAT codes. I discuss these in the video over here. Thanks for watching.